My people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Amal. In case you are new, guys, thank you so much for coming. Just subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on notification bell so that when I upload another video, you'll be the first one to watch. And if you are my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming here to support me every day, because guys, you understand it's not easy for someone to come every day and watch a video. So guys, I'm coming live from the village. Yeah, so I want to cook ugali and omena here in the village. So this is my omena, guys. You can see this is my omena. So I need to check. The first thing I need to do is to check if there's dust inside here so that I can remove. Yeah, so let's check together. Okay guys, so our omena is ready, you can see. So now the next step is I want to boil water so that I can use it to clean this omena. Okay guys, so our water is ready now. It's not supposed to be so hot, it's supposed just to be warm. So our water is ready now. Yeah. So I'm going to wash our omena. So our omena is ready now, it's clean, it's time to cook it. So I'm putting here this our spoon. So as usual, you know, here in the village we are using 3 stone here and we are using firewood. This is how I'm going. So I'm using this our traditional cooking stick. So I need to wait until it dries a bit. Then I'm going to add oil. Just little oil. I have onion here. So I'm going to add salt, just little. Okay, so as I want to cover our omena, it will be ready in 5 minutes. So let me cover it now. So guys, let me check. Now our omena is ready. Look at it, guys. So our omena is ready. Okay guys, I'm done making our omena. Is ready now. So this is water for our ugali. Our water is ready, you can see. Now it's bubbling here. So I want to cook ugali, but I'm using this one. This is our traditional cooking stick. Use it to cook ugali. So I'm going to add our maize flour here. So mix it very well. Guys, you know here Western people, we really like ugali. But you need to stir. So guys, I need to wait like 2 minutes, then I will add another flour. You can see how I'm cooking my ugali now. To add little flour, then so that I can. Okay guys, so our ugali is ready now. You can see it. It's so good guys. So I can't wait to eat with our omena here. So I want to remove it from the fire. You can see it guys. So if you don't know how to cook ugali, you can just follow this procedure. It's just simple. It's not something difficult. So I have my plate here. So I'm going to do like this. I want to use this cotton here to cut the spread. I don't want my hand to get burned. So guys, look at our ugali now. This is our ugali. So then, when you cook your ugali, your sufuria supposed, when your ugali is ready, your sufuria is supposed to look like this. You can see the way it is. Then even you can eat this one. So good. So I want to cover it now. We need to warm our omena first. I think it's warm now. Wow guys, I can't wait to eat it with ugali because this omena is so delicious. Look at it, the way it looks. Wow! I know people out there are salivating. So. Let's go and serve. Okay guys, whoa, I'm really salivating. I can't wait to eat this ugali with omena guys. So guys, oh my god, look at this. This is our ugali now. So you want to eat with omena. I know you people out there are salivating, yeah. So going to serve. So traditionally we need to dig in with this ugali until we finish, but now we are going to use our knife here to cut ugali. Oh, that's one for my grandma. So this is the remaining one. This is the remaining ugali. I need to cover it. Yes. Okay guys, let me know what's your view on this video, or which food do you want me to cook next. Just subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on notification bell so that when I upload another video, you will not miss it. It's your girl Amal. Bye. Say bye.